What's good YouTube? My name is Matt Powell and today we're going to be opening up the Laifen Wave toothbrush. This is a channel all about the cool tech I buy. Let's find out what kind of tech is in it and see if it's a good option for you. Alright, let's get to it. This unboxing reminds me of opening some sort of Apple product, maybe an iPhone, and here it is. So these guys were definitely influenced by Apple. This is actually like opening up an iPhone. It's actually very identical. You got the box right here with the picture in the front and then the name on the sides. And on the back, you got the security strip on the top, just like an iPhone box. One on the bottom as well, the top as well. All right, and there we have it. I got the stainless steel version. This is the most popular one and their most expensive one at $100. This thing went pretty much out of stock really quickly, so I managed to get one really fast, and this has some nice weight to it. It feels very premium already. Let's take this off. On the front it says long press for first time use to disable the flight mode. So there's a mode called flight mode and you have to press it so that it doesn't activate when you're, let's say, on a plane. You don't want it to turn on, obviously, and oscillate. So you have that option to turn it off. It says press the power button to turn on. So you click it once to turn on. And it also says to double press to switch the modes. We'll look into this a little further. Let's take this strip off. And there we have it. Look at this. It looks so premium and feels very premium. Let's see what else is in the box. So it's actually very similar to an iPhone. You got the cable here. It's actually a braided cable as well. It's some sort of MagSafe type cable. This is very much the Apple of toothbrushes. So yeah, this is a nice and braided cable. We got some paperwork. Let's see, designed by Laifen. Got instruction guide, quick start guide, and the warranty card. Also included are these brushes. Here's the 3 included brushes. We'll look at that in a second, and I believe that's it for the box. So try to put all this extra stuff away, stuff that we're not going to be using. Oh, I actually missed something right here. Good thing I was checking this out. There's actually a USB-A to USB-C adapter. I wonder, I guess if you don't have a USB-C port laying around, you could just attach this like so and attach it to a normal USB port. Now let's talk about the brushes. So starting from the left, this is the super clean brush. This is for high efficiency cleaning that leaves teeth feeling fresher. The middle one is the gum care brush, and this is for gentle cleaning for comfortable daily brushing. So this is the one you'll be using on a daily. And on the right over here is the ultra whitening brush. This is for powerful cleaning that whitens and polishes your teeth. And now let's turn this on. First, remove this and select the brush head. We'll be using the blue one. Slide it in, make sure it's aligned. That's it. Now to remove it off of flight mode, you want to hold down the power button for 2 seconds. And there we go. And now let's turn it on for the first time. So with a light tap, it turns on. With this toothbrush, it's very unique because it oscillates and vibrates at the same time. Other toothbrushes don't really do this. And tap to turn it off. So while this is on, you could tap it once to pause it. And if it's paused for 10 seconds, it'll automatically go into sleep mode. Now, in order to switch the modes, you're gonna double tap the power button, and you can set these modes in the app, which we'll do in just a second. All right, now that we got the app open, let's connect it. I'm gonna click add first device. Make sure your device is on and charged. Press the power button once to turn it on. Click next. You should find it automatically. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, of course. Select, connect. Connection successful. Put your name, date of birth. Once you're done, save profile, and now it says it's on mode 2. So let's double tap the power button to change the mode. Now it says mode 3, and it's identified with these dots on top. Now let's do the calibration. Step 1, prepare to calibrate. Please do not rotate the brush head. Step 2, please straighten the brush head and tap OK. If your calibration is successful, the device will beep twice and the mode indicator will blink. It's pretty straight. Got it straight, press OK. There we go. Calibration complete. Check if the firmware is updated. It is up to date, so now we could add another device if you need to. So I think that's it for the initial setup. Now let's get into the device and customize the toothbrush. So we can turn it on and off like that. You can activate flight mode like that. 30-second reminder. we'll add that on. So for the 30-second reminder, this is to let you know that it's time to change the brushing area. The toothbrush will vibrate to signify the 30 seconds are over. High frequency, I think we'll add that too. Right now for mode 3, we're gonna set it to, let's do it the most powerful. For your brush duration, we'll select 3 minutes, brush our teeth. I think I usually do 3 minutes. All right, now we're in mode 1. We're gonna keep 30-second reminder on. We want the high frequency on as well. Vibration strength, we'll keep it low as well. I think this should be the same speed. And now let's go to mode 2. Oh, on the bottom here, you could switch the modes as well. All right, so mode 2, we're gonna keep it at a medium. So everything at 5, which is the middle. And actually there's a 4th mode technically for the high frequency mode. This is set to vibration strength 11, which is pretty damn strong. High frequency will most likely drain your battery quicker, but I think I'll keep this. And I'm pretty sure that's all for the app. I'm actually not too sure why the App Store has a rating of 2.8 for this. It seems like a pretty straightforward app. Hopefully I don't run into any problems. Laifen actually uses their own proprietary servo system that makes it such a functional toothbrush. Okay, real quick guys, I'm here to announce a new giveaway. Once this channel gets to 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving a random subscriber a $100 gift card or 100 bucks in Bitcoin, whichever you guys prefer. And this one's real easy. All you gotta do is subscribe to this YouTube channel. Tell all your friends and let them know this will be the easiest 100 bucks they could ever possibly win. So, should you buy this? I actually think this product is so freaking cool. It's sleek, premium, simple, and it's very good for your health. If you want to keep up with your personal hygiene, this is going to be the toothbrush to get. This has all the key features that you would ever want in a toothbrush. It's premium, it's got an app to customize to your own needs, it's got 3 different brush heads to accommodate to your sensitivity of your gums. If you got sensitive gums, there's a brush head for you. It definitely has the cool looking Apple aspect to it. It has that premium feel that you would want. It's water resistant at IP7. It's got seamless design, and it's definitely the product to get if you want to upgrade your toothbrush. So this is definitely not a sponsored video, so get it if you want. I'll definitely leave a link down below if you are interested. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely let me know in the comments if you're going to buy this. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can add yourself to the giveaway. I'll see you next time. Peace.